Well, a conferencia by Hopibong, nós está dating local speaker, kuta Paul Eilens, tremendo. E nós está dating international speaker de nome de Karen Elazari, kuta international cyber security expert, actually white hat hacker. E me kere wow, e público tata echt entretener nang agosa mundo. Dus nós powak nung tarde hopi satisfecho. Well, o tópico data mas tanto cybercrime, the cyber security, kiko tour, porhasi, pero também crea awareness, no? Me kere Karen Elazari appunta ture peligar ng kuting, e peligar ng ta hopi, grandi, vela mostra kung fácil eta pa hacker ng po hack anyone, whether ta companhia chiquito, grande, e não tem discriminação. Esta bisa esta tu parte mundo, e não tem na companhia grande, so porta mediano, chiquito, anyone. Dus ela mostra é peligro e for, pero também ela mostra que nos pohasi para por prevenir é peligro. Me te quer Paul também tremenda apresentação e me te quer o qual me gusta hobita é parte que nós temos experto local, bopoaco awareness. Nós mesmo trabalhamos hopi riba je, pero ela vai hopi tremendo.
Everybody ready? I see some people walking in. We have upgrades to first class today, unlimited legroom in the first row. Take advantage while we offer that. What we need to understand about AI technologies is that it's a very fast pace of change and there are new capabilities created every day. I believe now is the time we need all the humans we can get to understand how these AI systems work so that we can harness the power of AI to our benefit and prevent malicious activities and bad outcomes from taking place. I believe that here, especially in the island of Aruba and in the Caribbean region, you have the opportunity to collaborate with your Dutch peers, and their capabilities and their teams have had recent successes in the fight against cyber criminal groups and understanding the way Russian hackers operate. So there is so much that we can learn from international collaboration in the region. And in fact, I think Aruba and Curacao can become a regional center for cybersecurity excellence, which is what we learned about here today at the conference. For the young individuals out there, you have the power to transform the future. I would like to recommend that you look at hacking as a positive activity and learn how you can become a bug bounty hunter, a friendly hacker, participating in the world of cybersecurity, because it is not a job that's going to go away. In fact, the world needs millions of security professionals.